Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Let's go ahead and talk about blood cells. What I've done is I've taken several pictures using the blood smear slides in the lab so that we could see the various blood cells. And I've also included a figure here from the Anatomy and Physiology OpenStax textbook to help with visualization as well. Here's our figure, and then each of these images are images that I have taken from microscope slides in the lab. We will start with the erythrocytes. Now, when we're talking about the erythrocytes, these are going to be our red blood cells, and they will dominate the blood smear. Majority of the cells that you'll see on the slide will be erythrocytes. Pardon me. And I'll just point some different ones out for us. You'll notice they'll be pinkish red in color. They will not have a nucleus when they are mature, and the reason for that is because they lack a nucleus in most organelles, so they can be fully packed with oxygen because their job is going to be to transport oxygen throughout the body. Again, these numerous pinkish red cells without a nucleus, those will be our red blood cells, or we also call them erythrocytes. Then we can see these little cell fragments here. So we've got a variety of little cell fragments, and the little cell fragments that we have are going to help with blood clotting, and those are known as platelets. And so we can go ahead and pick out a few here. There's one of the fragments. There's another one right there. There's one right there. So all of these little fragments, I'll connect these two, join all of our arrows. Those are going to be our platelets. Next, we can take a look at our white blood cells, or leukocytes. And we have different types of leukocytes. We can tell them apart by looking at their nucleus, because the nucleus is going to vary a little bit. And then sometimes we also take a look at the cytoplasm to help us identify the cell as well. We'll talk about all of these different white blood cells in lecture in order to discuss further what they do. Each white blood cell is going to have a different job, but overall our white blood cells are going to be important with the immune system. So our first white blood cell we're going to take a look at is the neutrophil. That's going to be this cell here. There's our neutrophil. And we also have a drawing of the neutrophil here. So we can go ahead and label that. And neutro for neutral. And this is because the granules in the cytoplasm, they're chemically neutral, and therefore they don't really stain very well. If we take a look here at the cytoplasm versus the cytoplasm of these cells, we don't really get to see the granules, again, because they are neutral. And again, that's where we get the name neutrophil. The next two cells that we have here, I don't have pictures of them from underneath the microscope because they are found in very low numbers in our blood, and they're very hard to find and photograph on the blood smear slides. We will look for them in lab, but for this video to introduce them, we'll go ahead and use this figure from the Anatomy OpenStax textbook. This first one here is the eosinophil, and the next one is the basophil. Now, when we're talking about the neutrophil, the eosinophil, and the basophil, they all have granules in their cytoplasm. But remember, in the neutrophil, we can't really see the granules because they don't stain. And neutrophil, there's going to be a nucleus with many lobes. So this neutrophil, the nucleus, is going to have 2 to 5 lobes. And we can see that here. We can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in our drawing. And then we can also see several or many in the picture that I took in lab. In fact, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 to 5 here. The eosinophil and basophil, each of these are going to have 2 lobes for the nucleus. So then what we need to do is we need to look at the cytoplasm. Now the cytoplasm, eosin, means red. So that means that we're going to have red cytoplasm, and the granules here you can see have taken on that reddish color. The basophil, again, the nucleus has 2 lobes, although sometimes it's hard to see because the granules are going to stain really dark. So this is going to have a dark stain in the cytoplasm. And this is where it's important not only to know how the nucleus of each of these cells is going to be unique, but then also be able to look at the cytoplasm so that we can make a determination between our neutrophil, eosinophil, and our basophil. This white blood cell here, this is going to be our lymphocyte. And it's unique because the nucleus, as we can see, takes up pretty much the entire cell. We can't even really see any cytoplasm, just one big, large, circular nucleus. That's how you'll be able to find a lymphocyte. And then last, we have our monocyte. And this white blood cell is going to have a nucleus that's shaped like a kidney bean.